Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues or problems that you have on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve your Messenger, you don't have permission to access. You should just go to settings. Here we click apps. After that we click on Messenger. Then we'll enter the first step and we click OK. After that we click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.